Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're answering a question that comes up all the time. Can you add an Amazon gift card to your Cash App account? The answer might surprise you, so make sure you watch till the end to avoid wasting your time or money. First, let's clear up how Amazon gift cards work. When you buy or receive an Amazon gift card, you can only redeem it on Amazon's official website or mobile app. Once redeemed, the funds go straight into your Amazon balance, and that balance can only be used for Amazon purchases. Now let's look at how Cash App works. Cash App lets you add money using the Add Cash feature, but it only accepts funds from linked banks, debit cards, or credit cards. If you check the Linked Banks section inside Cash App, you'll see options for connecting a bank account or card. But there's no option to link an Amazon account or transfer Amazon gift card funds. This means there's currently no direct way to move Amazon gift card money into Cash App. Any website or video that claims you can convert an Amazon gift card into Cash App balance instantly is likely misleading you, or worse, a scam. If you really need to turn that gift card into cash, your safest bet is to either use the gift card for something you need on Amazon or sell the card through a trusted gift card exchange platform. But do so carefully and only with reputable services. So bottom line, you cannot add an Amazon gift card directly to Cash App. Hopefully this video saved you some time and frustration. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and check the description for more tutorials and resources. See you in the next video.